Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to send message anonymously on WhatsApp. To do this, you need to create a new WhatsApp account, meaning you need to have a new phone number. So there are few ways to get a new number for WhatsApp verification. The first one is to use a virtual phone number. So you can download in any Play Store that you have or App Store that you have any virtual phone number verification app. You can also get a number from the Google Chrome, but this method is, I really don't recommend this one, but you can try to use this, guys. The second ways is to use your secondary number. Well, if you don't want to go through all mess of generating a virtual phone number, it's recommended to use a new one. If you can purchase another SIM card, things may work for you. You need to purchase a new number and use it to register for WhatsApp. So after registering, you can send your anonymous message without revealing your identity. But remember, do not use your new number on any social network sites. So it will easily reveal your identity. So after getting a new SIM card, you need to insert it into your smartphone and uninstall the WhatsApp application. And once uninstalled, install it and use your new number to sign up with the app. Okay, so the third ways to get a new phone WhatsApp verification is to use a landline, because you can also do a voice verification. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.